Hello everybody. I just wanted to remind you that February the 23rd is the very last day to sign up for access for Unacademy's USMLE Step 1 resources for the incredibly low price of $199. Prices go up tomorrow. Even if you're thinking about signing up, now is the time to act. For this incredible introductory price, you get the best medical educators. 5 great faculty have already committed their time and expertise to Unacademy, with more to come. Videos that allow for both efficient exam review and more comprehensive educational support. And a fantastic question bank with questions written by the teaching faculty. I write questions every day with an eye to training you to master both the content and the thought processes required by the USMLE. Get in on the ground floor of innovative, focused exam preparation and medical education. But time is short. What cost only $199 today will cost you more tomorrow. So subscribe now.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.